Welcome back to the Creative Peacock. I am Kristen and I do all things DIY and just love getting creative. One of the things that I started to do in my home was make it not builder grade, so I like to customize a lot of things. One of the things that I've recently done is my pantry. It actually was a closet within my laundry room. I ripped it all apart and made it into a custom pantry. In doing that, I had to change the trim, I had to kind of change the layout, open it up a little bit, and one of the things that I've been struggling with is finding switch plate covers for the light switch and the outlets. So I ran to Lowe's and was hoping that I could find something. I know sometimes you can order like half ones for smaller areas, but those didn't fit. So I was super excited when I found these wooden ones because not only can I cut it down, but I was able to stain it the exact same stain that I have the trim. So it actually matches way better. The beginning, you'll see I had them up. I wanted to make sure that they fit. You'll see that there's the metal inserts in there. I was lucky enough that I didn't have to take anything past that. I was able to just trim that piece off and it fit perfectly. When I stain, I love this method. It's super easy and it's not messy at all. You throw on a glove and then you put a sock, a clean sock. Make sure there's not a lot of lint on it. You can saturate whatever you're trying to stain and then go back and just kind of rub it in, take it off. You can get in all the little crevices. I don't know, this just seems super easy to do. I love it. I'm addicted to this method and I've done 90% of my staining like this. With this, you should add a top coat, like a polyurethane or something like that. I actually did not because I'm very impatient, so I might have to redo these later on. Again, I got these at Lowe's and I will drop the link below. They're so customizable, you could even paint them or put wallpaper on them and then obviously cut them down because they're wood. It's very easy to work with. After I get them all done, I'm able to put them back on and you can see the trim, it matches the trim perfectly. Do have to paint the wall a little bit underneath where I had to spackle a little bit just from where we had cut drywall out and had to put drywall back. There seems to be always things that I have to finish with my projects. But I'm super excited that this is finally done and I just have to go and touch up that paint behind it on the wall there and that's it. Such a simple change, but it makes the space feel so much more finished and intentional. The best part, it's completely custom to fit the trim and matches perfectly with the rest of the pantry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.